Hello guys, welcome to my one more video. So in this video what we are going to do is an unboxing of performance plus budget laptop. I have G7 340 laptop which is HP make. So this is the one I'm going to do unboxing for. So it's a really lightweight laptop, so it doesn't weigh too much. I believe it should be within 2 kgs. It's a 14 inches laptop. It's very compact. The color is so nice. It's a gray color. You can see this. You can see the HP logo on it. It's really nice. And the battery is inbuilt appearances. It's really nice. I like this laptop. So let's open this. So finishing wise, I like this laptop. So this color is so nice. The color is really nice. It is gray color, and especially in the silver color HP logo looks really good. Let's open the laptop. So you guys can see how soft the keyboard is. It's really nice. So this is the speaker. So here is the power button. The finishing wise, I like this laptop. I can see Core i5 logo here, and there's WhatsApp support number and feedback and extended warranty status. If you guys want, there is a sticker logo available, so we can call this number and check the warranty status. And if you need any support for HP, they have given the sticker here along with the number. We can call and get the support. And so overall this laptop is really nice. I liked it, and especially this black and gray combination. It looks really premium quality. So this color combination is really nice. When I am buying a laptop, I'll consider two things which are all very important. So one is the brand support, another one is hardware upgradation. Getting additional 2 years warranty is very important. Why? Because I am buying a laptop in 2021 and my warranty get expired in 2022 after 1 year. So I should not end up with paying such a big amount for service. So if I have the 3 years warranty including the standard first year warranty, then I don't have to worry about it. So additional 2 years warranty will cost only 2,500 rupees. I feel this is very reasonable amount compared to entire spare parts replacement. So now we have one more laptop. So this is a V15 Lenovo. So this is 15 inches laptop. So the previous one which we unboxed was 14 inches. It doesn't have additional keypad. So the laptop size is little small. So this is 15 inches. So let's do the unboxing. So this is the laptop. So this is look wise, it's a little bigger one. You can see how it is. It's so sleek. This is weightless. The monitor panel is black and this is dark green. And the keyboard looks so smooth. Hi guys. So now we completed unboxing of both the laptop. Now let me tell you the difference between these two. So this is i5 laptop. This is HP 340G7 laptop. And if you see this is Lenovo brand. This is V15 model. So this is i5 and this is i3. And both the laptops comes with 16GB of RAM and both the laptop comes with SSD hard disk. If you have a budget of 70,000 rupees, then this laptop would be better. Or else, if you guys have a lesser budget of 40 to 45,000 rupees, I prefer to go with this model, Lenovo V15. Very stylish and best performance laptop. Yeah, it is so lightweight. You can just fold it. You can hold it like this. It's very lightweight. Also, what I like is the keypad. So the keypad is very smooth and butter soft, and also I like the trackpad here. And now let's check this out. So this one it's like a very basic model. It's a V14. It's a i3 16GB 256GB SSD hard disk it has. So it has the one advantage is it has a bigger screen, 15 inches laptop this is. So even here the keyboard is very nice and the trackpad is also nice. It has a bigger screen, so it is very good for personal users. So now let's come for the conclusion. So you have a budget of 70,000 rupees and you are expecting some better performance laptop, go for this HP one. Or else if you have a budget of 40 to 45,000 rupees and you want a better decent laptop for office purpose as well as a personal use, then I suggest you to go to V15 model laptop. Before buying a laptop, make sure you're checking two things. One is warranty and support for 3 years. Another one is the future hardware upgrades. This is very important guys. For buying a laptop, make sure it has a dual RAM slots. Also make sure it has M.2 support for SSD. I hope you will enjoy this video. So I hope this video is very useful for you guys. So if any of your friends or family members planning to buy a laptop, you just share this video to them. So this is Vinay signing off from Vinay's Vlog.